We are finally here in Lake Louise. And nag-i-snow ngayon. Grabe ang lamig. And then, according to the weather, it's minus 10 degrees. So, malapit na rito yung lake. So, ito yung path, yung daan. Sa likod natin yung Lake Chateau Hotel. So, according to the tour guide, ang per night daw is 1,500. And then the suites will be like 5,000 to 6,000. So itong tinatapakan ko mismo is yung lake. Ayan yung Ice Palace. Ayan. Meron ding activities dito like ice skating and skiing. Since kaya ng lake na i-hold yung weight, medyo malalim na dito. Ayan yung dulo ng Lake Louise. I don't think we can go there. Lumulubog na yung paa ko. Lumalalim. Sobrang lalim dito, banda. And yung dulo is medyo malayo pa. Sobrang layo pa niya. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And have a great day. Bye!